Can you speak Jamaican? What country you from, bro?
Lebanon.
Lebanon.
I
I don't know what he just said.
Yeah.
I don't know what he just said.
I'm gonna fuck her mum and leave her strangling her.
Oh, that's haram. That's not really...
No, all girls are the devil. You don't understand. I do.
Okay. Do you think you can speak Pato, bro?
What's that?
Jamaican.
Bomba clot ass clot. I will go and bomba clot ass your girl, you fucking cunt.
Okay. I'm going to give you 2 lines in English, and I want you to do your best to try and say in Pato. Do you think you could do that?
Jamaican?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool. The first line is, I want curry goat with white rice and plantain.
I want curry go with white rice, you know what I'm saying, and some curry chicken, you know.
You know what? Let's slide with that one there. I make a slide with that. I want curry goat with white rice and plantain.
Give me some curry goat with some white rice and plantain.